Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to SK Academy of Mathematics. Today, let us solve the problem on Gauss Elimination Method. Let us consider whatever the given linear equation. First, let us represent the linear equation that is given. What is the linear equation? 2x plus y plus z equal to 10. Next, 3x plus 2y plus 3z which is equal to 18. X plus 4y plus 9z which is equal to 16. What is the aim of the finding Gauss elimination method? We need to represent the coefficient matrix, the unknowns and the constant terms. We need to represent the augmented matrix, that is augmented matrix represent A is to B. Then we need to find the upper triangular matrix of the coefficient of the matrix A. What is upper triangular matrix? Below the principal diagonal elements, every element should be 0. This is our main concept. Now let us represent this with respect to the matrix form. What, what does A represent? A represent the coefficients of the LHS part, that is coefficients 2, 1, 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 4, 9. This is the coefficients. Then the unknowns, we can represent it as x, y and z, and the constant is represented by capital letter B, which is equal to 10, 18 and 16. These are the constant. Now we can represent the matrix, that is Ax equal to B, where number of unknowns equal to 3. We need to find the number of unknowns, that is x, y, z, so that LHS should be equal to RHS. Now let us represent the augmented matrix. The augmented matrix is represented by A is to B, that is coefficients of A and the constant elements of B, that is 2, 1, 1 is to 10, 3, 2, 3 is to 18, 1, 4, 9 is to 16. What is the aim of the Gauss elimination method? Below the diagonal elements, that is 2, 2, 9, every element should be 0, that is 3, 1, 4. Now let us simplify. Now let us make the first element, that is 3 as 0. To make this as 3 as 0, let us consider our first row as constant, that is R2 dash. Second row R2 dash changes to. Now I need to make this as 0. How I need to make it as 0? I am going to multiply 2 for the second row and 3 for the first row, that is 2 into R2 minus 3 into R1, that is 2, 2, 2, 2. What is R2? 3, 2, 3, 18 minus 3, 3, 3, 3. What is R1? 2, 1, 1, 10. Now let us simplify. Okay, let us consider the first row as constant, that is 2, 1, 1 is to 10. Now I need to make this as 0. First of second row first element I need to make it as 0, that is 2 into 3 6, 3 into 2 6, 6 minus 6 0. Now 2 2s are 4, 4 minus 3 1, 3 2s are 6, 6 minus 3 3. Okay, 18 twos are, if you don't know the multiplication, use the calculator, that is 2 into 18, we have 36, 36 minus 30, we get 6, that is 0, 1, 3 is to 6. We have simplified the second row. Now let us go with the third row simplification, that is R3 dash changes to 2 times of R3 minus R1. See, if I multiply 2 for this, we get 2 into 1 2, 2 minus 2 0. This element we can make it as 0. So we have multiplied 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. What is R3? 1, 4, 9, 16. Minus, 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 minus 2, 1, 1, 10, which is equal to 2 into 1, 2, 2 minus 2, we get 0. 2 twos are, sorry, 2 fours are 8, 8 minus 1, 7. 9 twos are 18, 18 minus 1, 17. 16 twos are 32, 32 minus 10, we get 22. That is 0, 7, 17 is to 22. This is the simplification. Now what is the diagonal elements? 2, 1, 17. Below that element should be 0. Since 0, we have got 0, 0. Now we have the last element, that is 7. I need to make this 7 as 0. So I am going to consider R3 dash changes to R3 minus 7 times of R2. Why I am considering R2? Because the first element 0 should not be changed. So let us consider which is equivalent to, let us copy down first row and second row as constant. 2, 1, 1 is to 10, 0, 1, 3 is to 6. Now let us simplify R3. What is R3 elements? 0, 7, 17, 22, minus, 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 7, 7, 7, 7. What is R2? First element is 0, second element is 1, next 3, next 6, which is equal to anything multiplied by 0, 0 minus 0 is 0, 7 minus 7, we got 0, 17, 17 minus 7 threes are 21, 17 minus 21, we get 17 minus 21, we get minus 4, which is equal to 22 minus 7 into 6, which is equal to minus 20. That is, now let us simplify 0, 0, minus 4 is to minus 20. See, we need to find upper triangular matrix. What is upper triangular matrix? Considering matrix A, below the diagonal element, every element should be 0. Diagonal elements, below every element is 0. Now represent this matrix into linear equation form. That is 2x plus y plus z equal to 10. Next, y plus 3z equal to 6 minus 4z equal to minus 20. Consider this as equation 1, consider this as equation 2, consider this as equation number 3. Now, consider equation number 3. Consider equation number 3. Now we need to find the number of unknowns. What are our unknowns? That is x, y, z. We need to find the unknowns. Now let us find, considering equation 3, that is minus 4z equal to minus 20. Minus minus get cancelled. 4 ones are 4 5s are 20. What is the value of z? Z equal to 5. We have got the first unknown, that is z. Now consider equation number 2, substitute z equal to 5, that is y plus 3z equal to 6, y plus 3 into 5 equal to 6, y 5 3s are 15, which is equal to 6, y which is equal to 6 minus 15, y which is equal to minus 9. 6 minus 15, we get minus 9. Now consider equation number 1 and substitute z equal to 5 and y equal to minus 9. That is 2x plus y plus z equal to 10. we need to find the unknown, that is x value. Let us substitute y. What is our y value? Minus 9 plus 5 equal to 10. 2x minus 9 plus 5 equal to 10. 2x minus 9 plus 5, which is equal to minus 4, equal to 10. 2x, which is equal to 10 plus 4. 2x, which is equal to 14. 2 ones are 2 sevens are 14. X equal to 7. This is our unknowns, that is x, which is equal to x, y, z, that is which is equal to, what is the value of x? 7, y value is minus 9, and z equal to 5. Now let us how whether the value of the unknowns x, y, z are correct or not. Now let us consider these unknowns and simplify in any one of these equation. Okay, given equation. Let us consider equation number 1 itself, that is 2x plus y plus z should be equal to 10. Now let us simplify. 2 into 7 plus plus of minus 9 plus 5. 7 twos are 14 minus 9 plus 5. What is the value? 14 minus 9, we get 5. 5 plus 5, 5 plus 5, which is equal to 10. LHS equal to RHS. If you satisfy all these three equation, if all these three equation, given equation, linear equation is satisfied, then we call it as a Gauss elimination method. Okay, I hope you have understood this problem. For more videos, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you. See you in the next video.